And it was when James II and the French were trying to fight King William of Orange. King William of Orange at the time was King of Ireland, Scotland, and England. And so he came down to the south, and there was the Battle of the Boyne in 1690 when King William defeated James II. And as a result, the penal laws were enacted against the Catholics of Ireland, and life became very hard for the Catholics at that point. And all the men that fought in the battle, as well as all the men of the countryside, were exiled to France at the time. And it was a lifetime exile. So this song was written when the women followed their men down to the ships as they were sailing to France. And they said that the women followed the men out in the water, and their wailing was so terrible. It was like flocks of wild geese. And the last harper to leave Ireland at the time wrote this tune and left it behind. So it's called The Wild Geese.